When working the linked double crochet in rows, start by chaining 2. Insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Now insert your hook into the first stitch of the row, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2 again. Now we've completed our first linked double crochet in the row. To do our next linked double crochet, we will first insert our hook into the horizontal bar from that first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2. And that's our second. We simply repeat that across to work linked double crochets in a row. Insert your hook into the horizontal bar, pull up a loop, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2.